Oh yes, the Chevy S10 pickup truck. Some tips for putting a clutch in one of these old relics. People used to trick them out, I remember. Today they're classic trucks, small trucks. A person brought one into our shop and had us do a clutch, which cost more than the vehicle was worth. But this gave me the opportunity to learn from a master tech on how he would do a clutch. Putting a clutch in this is a Chevy S10. What year is this thing?
91.
91. So this is a job that normally a DIYer would do, right? Do it yourselfer, like spending as much money as it's going to cost to do this is a bit crazy.
They can get it up in the air high enough.
Right. So you got the clutch in there, but so you took this out. It was interesting to me as a guy who's done mostly do-it-yourself stuff. You took it out in sections. By the way, you're a master tech certified mechanic.
Right.
Not like me, who's been like rolling around in my yard for years.
GM's the easiest way to do it is to separate the transmission from the bell housing.
Okay.
And then take the bell housing off.
Right. So you pull the shifter first.
Right.
Right here. There's like 4 bolts, right?
Now you got the boot,
Yeah.
which is there are a total of 7 screws that hold the boot system down.
Right.
Then 4 bolts that hold it to the transmission.
I see. And it just sits in there, right?
There's a ball at the end of the shifter that sits in that little hole.
Right. So after you remove that, then it's taken off the drive shaft. So
Drive shaft, you got
back here
brackets.
from the U-joints first, right?
Right. And it just slides out of the transmission.
Slides straight out.
Then you got your cross member that goes here.
Right.
And then there's a bracket that goes in between the transmission and the cross member as a mount
Okay.
that supports your catalytic converter. See how loose that is now?
Right, right.
There's a bracket that comes across like this.
Right, it bolts right up here.
No, bolts right up to the flange here.
I see. Yeah, okay.
And that reinforces the exhaust so it doesn't rattle around.
Yeah, but I saw how you did this would have been a lot easier than I would have done it. Trying to pull the whole transmission out.
Well, when you do it that way, you fight this.
Right.
Because the weight
you
comes
can
down
damage
and-
your exhaust pretty
Right.
easy. Old Chevy S10 here can't have the most durable exhaust system. But nice. Getting her done. This will be buttoned up soon, won't it?
This afternoon.
Yeah.
I don't think there's a lot on the schedule, so I shouldn't have to bounce off. I just haven't gotten the motivation for it.
Yeah, the second wave of COVID kicking in, and it's been pretty slow around the shop here lately.
I got the feeling Inslee's going to walk us back down.
Yeah. Dang it.
Well, we won't
Odds
get
are.
locked down. We're essential.
Yeah. But restaurants and everything fun. All right, so that's Chevy S10. Some tips from a master tech on replacing this transmission. Thanks, man. The fabulous, fantastic Chevy S10. Look at this thing. It's a piece of American history. American steel. Well, most of it. Don't forget to subscribe, and why not watch another video? Stick around!